February is Black History Month. Colorado Humanities is hosting the Black History Live Tour featuring Maya Angelou. Now with me today, Adrienne Miller and Betty Jo Brenner from the Colorado Humanities History Programs. They join me with more. Nice to have you both on the show.
Thanks for being here.
So Adrienne, first, before we talk about upcoming events for Black History Live Tour, tell me a little bit about the Colorado Humanities and what it's all about.
So Colorado Humanities is the only statewide organization in Colorado dedicated to providing humanities education for adults and children.
Okay, wow. So if you want to find out more too, you can go on to their website, which is coloradohumanities.org. We're going to get into a lot here within the next few minutes. Betty Jo, what is a Black History Live Tour?
The Black History Live Tour is how Colorado Humanities celebrates Black History Month through first-person dramatizations of African Americans who have made significant contributions to American history. We do this through a monologue. Our scholars provide a monologue in character, followed by a question and answer period afterwards with the audience, in character and then out of character.
When you said they make a significant mark, I mean, that right there describes Maya Angelou. Is that why it's so important that you're featuring her?
Well, she's just one of the most compelling figures of our time. Aside from being Oprah's best friend, she's a very prolific writer, wrote 7 books, essays, poetry. You know, we talked about her film career, television. I mean, she just did it all. You know, a career spanning 50 years, and she's most known for her autobiography of the first 17 years of her life, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, which won the National Book Award in 1969.
My gosh, she's so accomplished and so inspiring too. If you read anything about her, you're like, she could do it, I can do it. It just gives you the want and the drive for success. Why do you look up to Maya Angelou?
Well, Maya Angelou is someone who did something with her life. She did so many things. Had some troubled times in her earlier years, and was a cable car driver, a film director, a poet, an author, dancing, music. She did everything. And a testament to her value to all of us is how many people are wanting to attend these programs that we are putting on.
And when is the tour, Adrienne?
So it's going to be from February 21st through the 28th at various locations throughout the state.
Where will we be able to participate?
In the metro area, we have 6 programs starting on February 21st. It was February 18th is when we start the tour, but on the 21st we start in the metro area at the Blair Caldwell Library on the 21st, and the Corky Gonzalez Library on Saturday, the Littleton Bemis Library in Littleton, Longmont Library, and Windsor Gardens Auditorium. It's our first time doing a retirement community.
Oh, fantastic! So pretty much anywhere.
Really? I mean, it's kind of spread out.
If you're anywhere in the community, you can find a place to go experience the live tour, which is wonderful. Is it free or is there a charge?
Our programs are always free and open to the public.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why do you think someone should plan to check out the Black History Live Tour?
Well, as we said earlier, Black history is American history. And we get to learn more about the life of Dr. Angelou. But also, Becky Stone is a great reenactor. She's very acclaimed. She just does a really good job of bringing Dr. Angelou to life. And so it's just a great experience. And I think it will help people understand kind of the Black experience in our country.
Right.
And so
and it's inspiring. And to know what this one woman has accomplished throughout her entire life and continues to inspire so many other people with what she's written in her book, like you mentioned earlier.
Right.
Thank you so much for giving us a sneak peek. And the Caldwell Library, they've been on the show several times. What a great library.
Yes.
I mean, that's a great one to check it out. The Black History Live Tour runs February 18th through the 28th throughout the state of Colorado. And most events, yes, are free. Find specific times and locations online. Go to their website, coloradohumanities.org.